What's up, Theta Network Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Just watch this video. Just look what's going on in this time in the Theta Network, my friends. Keep watching this video for more details, and remember, my friends, remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, in this video, I will show you the latest update, and after that, we discuss the next move, the next target of Theta Network, my friends. So let's start the video without waste any time, my friends. My friends, at this time, the latest price of Theta Network in the market is 8.94 USD dollar. Is the latest price of Theta Network. On the other side, if you look the BTC, Bitcoin price of the Theta Network, so 0.000222414 as the BTC price, Bitcoin price of the Theta Network in the market. And if you want more updates, so you can see here the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, to available supply, total supply, every update is present on the front of your eyes. Just look, my friends, just look the price changes of the Theta Network. You can see here, my friends, at this time the Theta Network is going very good, and it's a good news for all Theta Network that Theta Network again starts jumping after a fast. You know what, from yesterday the price of Theta Network is fast down, but at this time in the last hour the Theta Network again start jumping, my friends. So congratulations to all Theta holders, my friends. You know what, my friends, yesterday when the price of Theta Network fast down, so a lot of people disappointed from Theta Network, and a lot of people decide to sell. That is the biggest mistake of all holders. Those decide to sell, my friends. My friends, does not mean that if the price of any cryptocurrency falls down, so you're disappointed and you decide to sell, my friends. No, you have to hold, my friends. Every cryptocurrency falls down for a little time, my friends. So you have to hold, my friends. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. What is your opinion and what is your prediction about Theta Network? Tell me in the comment box. You know what, my friends, my prediction is 100% positive about Theta Network, and I believe that they will give us good amount of profit in the last of this month. So I recommend for everyone also that please hold Theta Network to the last of this month, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.